Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach you how you can set up a cart page in WordPress. What you do, go to your pages, then add a new page. Name it cart. Publish. After that, edit with Elementor. Set it to flow with Elementor. After setting it to flow with Elementor, you can start designing it the way you feel like. You can name here cart. Increase the size, and you can change the color to what you feel like. Then after that, add a new section. Add the text. After adding text, go here, type this. After that, you update. After updating, this will be your cart. Your cart is telling us that your cart is currently empty. To show products in your cart, go to the pages. Go to your shop. When you're in your shop, try to click on any product, like now this one, then you add to cart. After that, you can view the cart. So here, they are not allowed yet because I've not yet set. So here, you refresh this one. After refreshing, you'll see that this is your cart. Now to edit this, close here. To edit this, changing the colors, what, you inspect. For example, here, inspect this one, click there, then you will come and see, you look around, inspect, click this one, it's using black color. So try to change this one, it's not the one. Yeah, it is here. See, it changes the color. So after changing like that, you copy this one, then you go to settings, appearance, then customize. Go to CSS, add this one here, you paste it there. You go back and edit the buttons, click. Here is the color of the buttons. You can change it to any color. For example, black, like that. You can still work on the paddings. For example, you can say padding 10 pixels. You can still you can say padding left. 30 pixels. Important. Like that. Then after that, you can copy this and still you paste it here until you get the way you can fill it, or you need your card to look like. So this is how your card looks. Don't forget to update this, so your card will look like this. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.